So what we want to provide in terms of our offering in digital manufacturing is a set of courses that can be added to progressively but address the skills gap which relates to how digital systems and methods are utilised in the manufacturing and automation environment. We want to provide insights into how you can use digital technologies to improve your business.
One of the courses we're delivering here at WMG is on digital twin for manufacturing. Specifically, digital twin is a pretty broad topic in itself. Our approach to develop and teach on digital twin is to consider digital twin as a combination and an integration of different models which can be used for visualization, simulation-based analysis or predictive analysis. The simulation capabilities is developed around 3D models that can be used to validate virtually some different processes and different systems. The development of predictive capability relies on the implementation of data sets that can be utilized to develop statistical-based predictive capabilities. We are going to have an overarching content in this course around the integration of these different either simulation-based capability or predictive-based capability into overall capabilities that can be deployed to improve operation in production.
In terms of the course delivery, we have a number of course champions in specific skill areas who work already deeply with industry. Those will be the people delivering the courses.
We understand that the training courses we developed at WMG need to be tailored to different skill level and different level within the organization. That's why we tailor our courses to suit technicians and engineers, as well as management and innovation manager and CEO.
In terms of the facilities that we have here at WMG, we have an extensive area of workshops and laboratories. Within those we work with industry partners and have a large range of demonstration and test equipment specifically related to skills training. We're very much providing that level of insight into practical production system problems and how you use digital manufacturing technologies to address those.